As I always say, never walk alone. So you need partners. Without partners, you cannot be successful. If you want to differentiate, you should partner.
Obviously in Hong Kong, there'll be 8 new virtual banks in a couple of months. In the UK, we've seen a number of challenger banks as well.
Yeah.
How do you think you can differentiate yourself with all the new banks coming in the market? Obviously with the traditional banks, but also with the other new virtual banks coming in the market.
Henry, 3 things, these are really important, to differentiate. The first one is, customer experience. But when I say, customer experience is not only UX UI. I'm not talking about, sexy apps. I'm talking about, creating, lean customer journeys.
Yeah.
And when I say, customer journeys, I'm sure, you came here, by taxi. And the taxi, most probably it did cost, 400 Hong Kong dollars.
Yep.
But imagine, your new bank, our bank, you will be able to onboard yourself in a couple of minutes. You will get, the account, you will get your card, sync your card with your transportation company.
Yep.
And then what will happen? Next time, your bank will remind you, and you know what? In the last 3 times, it did cost you 400. This time, there was no traffic in Hong Kong, but it did cost, 500. Why don't you check? So this is customer experience. I think, we should create, we are creating, this kind of customer experience. The second thing is, in Hong Kong, everybody's talking about, unbank. There's no unbank in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
It's underserved.
Yeah.
So why I'm saying this, we need to find out the right technology, right customer experience to democratize the banking in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Why we are democratizing the banking? Why? Because all these underserved people, we have to bring the high quality service instead of only digital, giving the high quality service and honestly increase the unserved income or the contribution
Right.
in the banking system. The last one, as I always say, never walk alone. So you need partners. Without partners, you cannot be successful. If you want to differentiate, you should partner with some people. Yeah. Our partners, PCCW, Hong Kong Telecom Group, and Trip.com, they're amazing partners. Why we are partnering with them? Honestly, not only for investment standpoint, they are helping us to create the right distribution channels. Plus, we are building services together. Services means there are a lot of customer pain points.
Yep.
We are building the solutions all together.